Hey guys, my name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY. Willow obviously wants to say hi. Willow, say hi. Hi, this is my little kitten. Well, she's not a kitten anymore. She's a cat. She is 6 months in a couple days. So, Willow, say hi. She's so cute. Hi guys, my name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So for today's video, I'll be unboxing the August Boxycharm box. This is the base box. I do not have the premium. So let's go ahead and get started. By the way, if you guys hear some background noise, my parents are watching TV and the living room is literally right next to my room, so sorry about that. But if you guys are interested on what I received this month, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing in this month's box is this, and this is the Morphe. I got this 4-piece eye brush collection set. Now this looks hella familiar because I actually bought this for my giveaway, so I'm gonna keep this one. And this retails for $12. Okay, so the next thing in this box is this, and this is the PureHeals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam, and it looks like this. Now this retails for $24. Now I kind of want to smell it just because I smell everything. So yeah, let's see. That smells good. Okay, so basically this is a cleanser, and it's supposed to help skin be moisturized and glossy. So I'm excited for this. Okay guys, so the next thing in the box is this, and this is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, and I'm excited I got this because I actually got the Essentials 1 and I really liked this palette, so I'm interested on how this one is gonna be. And it's already more colorful. Yeah, look at this. Ooh, this is so cute. You know, this reminds me of the Jeffree Star Conspiracy mini palette. I don't know why, but it gives me that vibe. I don't know. It might be just me. But anyways, I'm excited for this. This palette retails for $36. So the next thing in the box is this, and this is the MUDMASKY hair mask scalp treatment and miracle shampoo 3-in-1 formula. Okay, so it looks like this, and this is supposed to make the skin on your scalp healthy again. It repairs and strengthens hair while moisturizing the skin on the scalp. It controls dandruff from the roots and works against itchy scalp, suitable for all hair types and especially for damaged hair. So this sounds like something I need, so I can't wait to try this out. And there goes Willow again. Anyways, don't mind her, she's just gonna, you know, be curious. And that retails for $25.50. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this. This is the QMS Medicosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, and Tinted Day Cream reminds me like of a SPF. Oh, it's a tan color, and it's supposed to, like, I guess, blend in with your skin color. So yeah. Okay, let's see the claims on this. This is a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. Helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. And this retails for $105. That's a lot of money for this. And this only has 1.69 fluid ounces. It's more than a foundation, because usually foundations have 1 fluid ounce, but $105 for this. I hope I like it, but I'm probably not gonna repurchase this. $105? I don't think so, but I am gonna use it, and when I use it, I'm probably gonna feel bougie AF, because yeah. Okay, so the total value of this month's box is $102.50, and to be honest, I'm not really mad with this box. Like, I'm pretty excited that I got this palette. I'm interested in using this, the tinted moisturizer. You know, the brushes, it's always good to have brushes. I love brushes. Like, I have so much brushes, and you can never go wrong with more, so I'm happy about that. This I'm really intrigued to use. I have a lot of cleansers that I have to use, so I gotta remember that I have to use this too. And this, I'm interested in using this as well, because my hair can use some TLC, and you know, with all the claims that this has, hopefully it'll work out in my hair. So yeah guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Of course, people want to do things when I'm going to film. Never fails. Never fails.